Hey, okay, listen. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Tonight we're talking about building a Chatgpt powered business. Not playing with it, not flirting with it, building with it. And my goal is simple. When you leave here, you're not confused, you're not overwhelmed, you've got a 2-hour routine you can actually follow. Because, be honest, most folks use ChatGPT like a random Google search. What should I post? What's a caption? What's a hook? And then they still sitting there, staring, not posting. We're going to use ChatGPT like an assistant, so you can stop guessing and start moving. So here's what you're getting today. One clear focus, a simple routine, and a basic content plus DM flow. Not a 4-8 step funnel, not a PhD program, a simple plan you can do this week, because consistency is cute, but consistency that brings leads, that's the goal. There are really only 3 things you need to get money moving: what you're selling, what you're posting, what you're saying when people DM you. That's it. If it's too complicated, you won't do it. If it's simple, you'll repeat it. And if you repeat it, you win. Now, let's pick your lane for the next 30 days, just one. Digital products, coaching, services, affiliate, reseller. Pick one and commit, because people mess up right here trying to do everything at once. They start 5 things, finish 0, and then blame the algorithm. No ma'am, no sir, pick one. Next, who are you talking to? Because if you're talking to everybody, baby, nobody is listening. So we're going to run this simple prompt. Help me define my ideal customer. Ask me 7 questions. And boom, now your content has direction. You're not just posting, you're speaking to somebody. Now your offer. Keep it cute and simple. You need a free something, like a guide or checklist, and a paid something, your main offer. That's enough to start. You do not need 12 products and a logo refresh to make money. We're going to use ChatGPT to help you generate 3 offer ideas. And you're going to pick the one that feels the easiest to deliver. Not the one that sounds fancy. The one you can actually do without burning out. Then we're going to tighten your message. I help who get what without what. Clear sells. Confusing does not convert. So we're letting ChatGPT give us 10 clean versions. Pick your favorite and use it everywhere. Now, let's get into this 2-hour routine, because I want this to feel doable. 30 minutes. Post one thing. 30 minutes. Engage, reply, comment back. 30 minutes. Start DMs, offer your free guide. 30 minutes. Follow up, check on people who said they wanted it. That's it. Not all day, not your whole life. 2 hours. And go live your life. And for content, rotate these 4: value, proof, story, offer. So you never feel like you're begging. You're just rotating your message in a way that feels natural. Then we use ChatGPT to map out your week. Hook, caption, CTA. Now you're not waking up stressed like, what do I post today? You already know. Now, here's the DM. Flow easy, friendly, not weird. Want me to send it? Here you go. Tell me when you open it. Do you want the quick version or the full setup? Simple, direct, human. And it moves people forward without pressure. And listen, follow-up is not harassment. Follow-up is service. People are busy. They got kids, grandkids, jobs, life. So we follow up like a real person. We're letting ChatGPT write a 5-message follow-up sequence that feels warm and normal. Now, to keep you from burning out: Monday plan, Tuesday create, Wednesday, engage. Thursday, follow up. Friday, proof plus offer. Simple rhythm. Repeat weekly. So, right now, I want you to fill in your basics. My lane, my audience, my free offer, my paid offer, my daily routine, my CTA phrase. Even if it's messy, even if it's not perfect. We're not married to it. We're starting with it. This week, pick your lane. Create your free plus paid offer. Post 3 times. Use the DM flow. You do that, you're already ahead of most people who watch trainings and do nothing. Okay, now listen. If you want to keep DIYing this, you absolutely can. But if you're the type that's like, Deja, I don't want to guess. I don't want to rewrite this 12 times. I don't want to take 6 weeks to do what I could do in 6 days. Then, baby, this is your fast track. If you want to skip the trial and error and get set up faster, Prompt to Profit is the next step. Drop profit and we'll send you the details. No pressure, no chasing, just information so you can decide. And if you need us, we're right here. Online Success Made Simple. Support at onlinesuccessmadesimple.com. onlinesuccessmadesimple.com. school.onlinesuccessmadesimple.com. I'm proud of you for showing up, because showing up is step 1. Now your job is to take 1 action today. Post your plan in school. Start your 2-hour routine and keep it moving this week. Next week, we're covering how to go viral on social media. And if you want the fast start to today's training, drop profit.